Funky mix. Start sequence. Let's go.
Getting funky.
Half horsepower sump pump. I mean, it says it's home docks, so I'm a little confused, but they're probably just a different store selling the home docks. It's the model JP400-D4. This is the red one. See, it's pretty nice. It is all plastic design here, except for like the motor part inside, but everything else is plastic. It does have a little bit of weight to it. So that's all you really have is the connector here, which unscrews. It does have 3 different sizes. I bought the 1-inch pipe or tubing for this. This just screws on here. This is a float, which will turn this automatically off when it gets below 5 inches. So if you want to continuously use this, like to suck everything out all the way down, you are going to need to raise this up. I was thinking I could just tie it to this, to the cord, when I have it up, so it'll stay on all the time. But if you do that, you got to make sure this doesn't run out of water. If this gets too dry, you'll burn this motor up and ruin this. So you got to be careful with that. This is for your safety. You should use it. This cord, this electric cord's almost 16 feet. More than enough than I need for my hot tub. This puts out, this is supposed to pump a little over 2,100 gallons of water in an hour. My hot tub's only 400, so it should clean that out of there in about 10 minutes. Compared to 3 hours it took me to do with a hose manually last time I did it. So this is going to be pretty sweet. Check these instructions out. Give you your safety instructions, what the different parts are, how to operate it, how to clean it, storing it, a little troubleshooting here, and technical stuff. It's all in English. Give you everything you need. Pretty nice.